Good morning and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So basically, to update you on my previous analysis and expectation on this one, I recommended yesterday and so that market can trade lower when the market is at this stage to eventually complete a second down leg and to retest the key pivot around 1.2 mark. And this is exactly what is happening at this stage this morning, so that 1.2 level isn't the test. And this will be a critical pivot area and pivot support in case the price can go through this in next period and we don't have a bigger reaction to the upside. Then there's a still chance for lower prices in the next downside pivots to be on the test, like 1.1965 or 1.1915. In that case, there will be a supply even further. Then watch for selling opportunities on the rallies for the next downside pivots. In case of some kind of upside rotation or bigger, this may lead to some upside movement, but that's not the case for now. So there is not any kind of evidence for now that there is a bigger rejection or any kind of the higher lows and change in the trend dynamic from this supply. So pay big attention on this key pivot here at 1.2, and in case of the downside break, watch for the selling opportunities on the rallies. If we speak about the gold market, the situation is basically that we had the option of either breaking this to the upside or breaking this to the downside, and we had a break to the downside. You can also see the tight consolidation here in the 2-hour time frame. It seems like it's a small, very small triangle, and the market is basically trying and breaking this time. So the selling opportunities are preferable. There is a breakout to the upside channel in the background and potential to retest 1765 and 1755. So selling opportunities is definitely preferable based on the current condition and chart formation that I'm seeing here. If we speak about the crude oil market, crude oil basically respected the cluster of the swing lows, and we had a rejection there. So there is some demand is trying to pick up here. We're already trying to eventually to see if we can at least make a first higher low and higher high. So the market is now in the rally mode of the key support at 87 mark, and so far basically yesterday we rejected. We had a rally and then there was no retest. So if we can clear this recent swing high at 89.60 and provide even more higher lows, maybe we have some potential for further rally in the next pair. But for now, it's just to watch if the market can even retake this 89.60 and trade above initially and make a first higher low and higher high. If we speak about Bitcoin is still in this, I will say, bigger wedging formation. We have a triple reactions here of the upper trend line, and in case of some bigger drop and so, then selling opportunities on the rallies will be preferable towards 22,500 or even 20,800. So definitely keep pivot resistance is set at the 25,000. I will say 25,300 mark. As long we cannot go through that, there's higher odds for the downside. No confirmation yet, but what potential breakout, either to the downside of this wedge or to the upside, in order to confirm anything to the rally into the next period. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.